Discover 7 hidden gems. Italy's most wheelchair-friendly beaches you can't miss this summer. Dreaming of feeling the warm Italian sand between your toes? Say goodbye to accessibility concerns and explore Italy's best-kept secrets. From Sicily to the Riviera, these wheelchair-friendly beaches welcome all visitors. Let's dive into your next Italian adventure. San Vito Lo Capo, Sicily. Wooden walkways to the water, free beach wheelchairs, and trained staff for assistance. Bibbione Beach, Veneto. Extensive wooden walkways, floating wheelchairs for sea bathing, and braille menus at restaurants. Romagna Riviera, Emilia-Romagna. Accessible beaches, hotels, and restaurants, with specialized tour operators for accessible experiences. Lignano Sabbiadoro, Friuli Venezia Giulia. Ramps, free beach wheelchairs, and an accessible sandcastle competition. Spiaggia di Levante, Liguria, gently sloping beach, accessible walkways, and nearby parking and public transportation. Lido di Jesolo, Veneto. Multiple accessible entry points, free beach wheelchairs, and specialized tours of Venice. Baia delle Zagare, Puglia. Beach ramps, accessible viewing platforms, and trained staff for water activities. FAQs. Check specific details before your visit. Reserve beach wheelchairs in advance. Find accessible accommodations and restaurants nearby, and confirm assistance for water entry. Italy's coastlines are now open to all abilities, offering a mix of family-friendly, natural beauty, and glamorous beach experiences. Plan ahead and contact local tourist offices for the most up-to-date information. Experience La Dolce Vita with a warm welcome and crystal-clear waters. Your perfect Italian beach vacation is just a wheelchair roll away. Start planning your accessible Italian beach getaway today.